Hello everyone, welcome to my video of revision chapter vector form 4. Okay, this is the first question I want to introduce that is mostly related with 8.3. Okay. The position vectors of A, B and C are vector A, vector B and 3B minus A respectively, where A and B are non-parallel and non-zero vectors. It is given that AD equal to MAB and CD equal to NOB, where M and N are constants. Question A, find the position vector of D in terms of AB and M, in terms of AB and N. Okay, and then question B, evaluate M and N and state the position vector of D. Okay, now we start with question A. Okay, position vector. Okay, what is actually position vector? Okay, the word position vector is very important for you to know the meaning, because this one will determine how you solve the question, how you start to solve the question. Okay, word position vectors. Okay, position vectors means what? Position vectors means a vector of point, any point, a vector of point relative to origin. Okay, this is a vector in a Cartesian plane. Okay, vector in Cartesian plane. So position vector of A will be OA, O to A. O is origin. Okay, position vector of B is OB. Position vector of C is OC. Okay, all is equal to the given vector A, given vector B and given vector 3B minus 9A respectively. And also given that vector AD is equal to M AB and vector CD is equal to N OB. Right? So now I want to start solve and show to you the solution of question A. Okay, question A asks what? Position vector of D. Okay, position vector of D is OD. Okay, in terms of AB and M. Okay, question A. Question A1. Okay, AB and M. OD is equal to what? Okay, OD you can make as equal to an addition of two vectors that is equal to O what plus what later and then lastly D. Vector OD, okay, try to relate with this OA, OB, OC. That is the relation we can do OA plus AD. Okay, if we use another letter, for example OB plus BD, we cannot get the answer because it is no relation with what is given in the question. Okay, what is OA? OA is A. What is AD? Okay, AD is MAB. Okay, you choose from here. Okay, this one. Still not finished because we don't know what is AB. Okay, how to get AB? Still we repeat the same step for AB. Okay, this is the solution of AB. Okay, what is AB? We can put AO plus OB. Okay, what is AO? AO is negative of OA. Okay, AO is a negative of OA, so that it is equal to negative A. So it is A plus M bracket AO is negative A plus what is OB? OB is B. Okay, now solve until we get the final answer, until we get the simplified answer. A plus minus, okay, A minus MA plus MB, and we collect together coefficient of vector A, separate with B. This is a 1 minus M, so that this is the final answer for vector OD. Alright, and continue for question number 2. Question number 2, also question OD, okay, but the position vector of OD, but in terms of A, B, and N. Okay, how to do this? Are we still using the given information? Okay, but we didn't use the same addition of vector from the first question is OA plus AD. So right now OD we must get the different addition of two vector. We can try another letter. Okay, start with O, end up with D. Okay, now we have a CD with the letter N, right? So that we put here CD plus OC. Okay, because right now we want to use letter N. OC is 3B minus 9A plus CD is NOB. NOB. Okay. OB is also given. So we just simplify. Put what is given in the question. 3B minus 9A plus 9 bracket OB is B, and simplify our answer. Combine together the same vector B and B, A and A. Right here we have 3B plus NB minus 9A. Okay, and factorize for vector B, 3 plus N minus 9A. Okay, finish for question A. Okay, turn to question B. Question B asks, hence, okay, hence evaluate M and N and state the position vector of D. Okay, hence, word hence mean we have to use the value of M and N from the above question and use in the question B and state the position vector of D. As you know, the position vector of D is OD. Okay, evaluate M and N. Okay, from question B, from question A, we get the answer OD is equal to 1 minus M bracket A plus MB, and one more answer also OD in terms of N, 3 plus N B minus 9A. Okay, so how to count value of M and N? What is mean by evaluate? Evaluate is we have to count what is the value of M and N, and as you know, here is both vector of OD, so it is equal 1 minus M A okay, it is 1 minus MA plus MB is equal to 3 plus N B minus 9A. So what to do is compare. Okay, compare vector A and vector A coefficient, vector B and vector B coefficient in left and right side. 1 minus m for vector A is equal to negative 9 for vector A. Coefficient of vector A, 1 minus m is equal to negative 9. So negative m is equal to negative 9 minus 1, negative m equal to negative 10, m is equal to 10. Okay, so for part B, coefficient of B, m is equal to 3 plus n. Okay, we already know value of m. It is 3 plus n is equal to 10 and n equal to 7. Okay, so finish for part m and n value. Okay, right now we continue with the next question. Position vector of D. Okay, position vector of D. Since we already know the value of m and n, so we just substitute 1 minus m a plus mb is equal to 1 minus m, 1 minus 10 is negative 9a plus 10b. Okay, or if a student use OD as equal to 3 plus n bracket b minus 9a, so it is equal to 3 plus n, also 10b minus 9a. The answer is same, 10b minus 9a and negative 9a plus 10b, both are same answer. So finish for this question. Next we do second question, which is a more challenging question in SPM format. Hello everyone. Okay, now we want to do and discuss question of vector from chapter 8 form 4 syllabus. Okay, this question I choose for the revision for you in the type of SPM format question. Okay, this question consists of 10 marks. Okay, question A 3 marks, question B 3 marks, question C 4 marks. Okay, the vector OP, okay, vector OP has a magnitude of 26 units and is parallel to the vector phi I minus 12j. The vector OQ has a magnitude of 39 units and is parallel to the vector 12i plus 5j. Okay, question A is express OP and OQ in terms of I and j. Question B, given the magnitude of PQ is lambda 13, find the value of lambda. Question C, given R lies on PQ such that PR RQ is equal to 4:9 ratio 4:9. Find the unit vector of OR. Okay, now we start with question A. Okay, question A, express OP and OQ in terms of I and j. Okay, as you can see here, okay, vector OP only give us the magnitude. Okay, magnitude OP is 26 units. Magnitude of OQ has 39 units. Okay, parallel to vector phi I minus 12j, 12i plus 5j. Okay, when you read the question, told us about parallel. Okay, what can you imagine and remember what is meant by parallel vector? It is actually like this. Okay, parallel vector, same direction, okay, and the line is parallel. For example, this is line vector u, and this is vector B, and the formula for parallel vector will be U is equal to lambda V, where lambda is a constant. Okay, this formula, then this method is applied in this question when you see word parallel. Okay, OP has magnitude of 26. Okay, we just write down OP magnitude is equal to 26. Okay, and OP is parallel to vector pi I minus 12j. Now, question asks you, what is vector OP? How to get OP vector? We just have the magnitude and the parallel vector pi I minus 12j. Okay, now what we can do is we try to get the magnitude of pi I minus 12j. Okay, magnitude, we put the modulo symbol, which means magnitude. 5 square plus negative 12 square, okay, square root is equal to, okay, use your calculator. Okay, the answer will be, okay, how to use calculator, it's like this: 5 square plus bracket negative 12 bracket square. Okay, the answer is equal to 13. Okay, okay, as you can see here, number 13 is related with number 26. Okay, since these two number having same vector. Okay, right now from formula of parallel vector, we can write OP parallel to this vector, right? Lambda vector pi I minus 12j. Okay, this is the formula of the parallel vector. And what we can get here, magnitude of OP is equal to lambda magnitude of pi I minus 12j. Okay, that is also equal to lambda, okay, magnitude of pi I minus 12j is we get just now equal to 13. Okay, 13. And then given that OP magnitude, okay, magnitude of OP is equal to 26. How to really ensure in the step is 26 you put 2 multiply 13. Okay, 2 multiply 13. And 2 multiply the magnitude of pi I minus 12j. Okay, based on this one, okay, OP, magnitude of OP is equal to 2 multiply magnitude of pi I minus 12j. Okay, in terms of vector itself, we can put OP is equal to 2 multiply vector pi I minus 12j. And expand, vector OP will be 10i minus 24j, and this is your final answer for question A, vector OP. Okay, we finish OP. Now we continue for vector OQ here. Okay, what is vector OQ? And the question just give you magnitude of OQ is equal to 39 units, and it is parallel to vector 12i plus 5j. Okay, and get the magnitude of 12i plus 5j. Okay, still we get the same answer actually, because just change the negative of 12 to positive 12. Okay, the answer will be also 13. Okay, 13. And vector of OQ, okay, the magnitude is equal to 39, and 39 is also equal to 3 multiply 13. Okay, 3 multiply 13, and also equal to 3 multiply the magnitude of this 12i plus 5j. Okay, and based on this, OQ magnitude is equal to 3 multiply magnitude of 12i plus 5j, and we can conclude that OQ is equal to 3 multiply vector 12i plus 5j, and OQ is equal to 36i plus 15j as our final answer. Okay, next we come to question B. Okay, question A, we already get the OP and OQ, and for sure this one maybe we will relate with question B. Okay, go to the question B. Given the magnitude of PQ is lambda 13, find the value of lambda. Okay, we start now. Okay, write down the question. What is information given? PQ magnitude is equal to lambda 13. Okay. Right now we know the magnitude. Still we don't know the vector of PQ. Okay, what is the vector of PQ? Okay, get the vector of PQ. Okay, and look at back the answer in question A, OP and OQ. Okay, OP is 10i minus 24j, and OQ is equal to 36i plus 15j, and we can apply here PQ is equal to PO plus OQ. Okay, you must know this formula. This one is very important. Okay, will be used in all question vector. All the solution question vector usually will use this formula, how to get an addition of two vector is equal to PQ. Okay, we start by P, end up as Q, and in the middle will be the same letter and plus inside. So PO plus OQ. PO, what is PO? PO is the reverse of OP. Just we change into negative of OP. PO is, okay, in vector, PO is equal to negative of OP. Okay, so it is negative 10i plus 24j bracket plus OQ is 36i plus 15j. Right, and then just solve I together with I and j with j. Negative 10 plus 36i will be equal to 26i, 24j plus 15, it is positive 39j. Okay, here is the vector of PQ. Okay, where you are given magnitude of PQ is equal to lambda 13. Okay, in the question asks lambda. Now we already know PQ, and we can get the magnitude of PQ. So it is 26 square plus 39 square root is equal to lambda 13. Okay, you get it from here. Square root of 26 square plus 39 square equal to 13. Okay, 13 13. Okay, from our calculator, 13 equal to lambda 13. So lambda is equal to 13. Okay, finish question B. Okay, class, continue with question C. Okay, given that point R lies on PQ such that PR ratio RQ is equal to 4:9, find the unit vector of OR. Okay, in maths, if you see the form of ratio like this, okay, if it is relate with a straight line or any shape, okay, we try to draw the straight line, okay, or the shape is related with the equation. Okay, right now here PQ is vector is all is in straight line, so it is a straight line PQ. R lies on straight line PQ, so we draw PQ. For example, this is PQ. Okay, it is start with P and stop at Q. Okay, vector PQ, P to Q. Okay, R lies on PQ such that PR RQ 4:9. The ratio we can write like this: PR over RQ equal to 4/9. Okay, ratio is a fraction, right? Ratio is a division. Okay, so that PR is 4 unit, RQ is 9 unit. Okay, it is not the usual length, but only a representation as a ratio. Plus, you have to remember that. So R is around here. Okay, where P to R is 4 unit and R to Q is 9 unit. Total is 13. Okay, total is 13 unit as a representation of ratio, not the usual length. Okay, find the unit vector of OR. Okay, you start by OR. Okay, what you can write as the addition of two vector that is equal to OR. Okay, must start with O, last with letter R. Okay, it is equal to OP plus PR. Okay, OP plus PR. What is OP? What is PR? Okay, OP we know it is equal to, from question A. Okay, from question A, OP 10I minus 24J. 10I minus 24J for OP. 10I minus 24J. Okay, this is J plus PR. Okay, right now what is PR? We actually not given the vector of PR. Okay, but we can get from the diagram we draw, we sketch here PR. Okay, since we already know how many the unit it is from each point to another point. Okay, PR is 4. Okay, PR is equal to 4 unit, right? Okay, 4 unit and the total is 13. Okay, PR is 4/13 of PQ. Okay, this is the representation of a ratio that you must learn and understand, because this one is applied in all chapter, actually not just in vector, and it is actually usually come out in vector and coordinate geometry and any diagram and graph. Okay, usually for the ratio. Okay, PR is 4/13 of PQ. What is PQ? PQ we get in question B. Okay, PQ we get in question B right here, 26I plus 39J. Okay, 26I plus 39J. Okay, we write down here. It is 10I minus 24J plus 4/13, 26I plus 39J. Okay, so we solve by calculator. It is 10I for part I. Okay, 10 plus 4/13 multiply 26. It is equal to 18. Okay, for part I, this is part I, 10I plus the multiplication of 4/13 multiply 26I. Okay, this is an expansion. It is equal to 18I. Okay, just now we get 18. And for part J, it is negative 24 plus the multiplication of 4/13 multiply 39. Okay, it is equal to negative 12. Negative 12J. Okay, negative 12J. Okay, here is the answer of OR. But the question asks you what? Okay, unit vector of OR. Okay, unit vector, we have its own formula. Okay, the vector 18I minus 12J divided by its magnitude. Okay, OR unit vector is 18I minus 12J divided by 18 square plus negative 12 square root. Okay, it is equal to square root of 18 square plus bracket negative 12 square equal to 613. Okay, 613. And we can actually simplify 18I minus 12J divided by, just now our answer is 613, right? 613, and simplify into separate fraction. It is equal to 3/13I minus 2/13J. Okay, here is the unit vector of OR. So finish. One question consists of 10 marks.